Ras Mohammed Part 2. Ras Mohammed National Park, remarkable area and variety. Ras Mohammed Reserve in South Sinai is viewed as the second most significant nature hold on the planet throughout the course of recent years, after Uluru Kata Park Juta in Australia. Furthermore, plants like mangroves and shura, moderate temperatures, and outside air, typify for us a characteristic range in an exceptional congruity on the planet. Ras Mohammed Reserve is situated at the intersection of the Gulf of Suez and the Gulf of Aqaba. The eastern edge of the Ras Mohammed Reserve addresses a rough divider with the waters of the Gulf in which coral reefs are found. The Ras Mohammed region is portrayed by coral seashores situated in the profundities of the waters of Ras Mohammed, bright fish, jeopardized ocean turtles and uncommon amphibian life forms. The coral reefs encompass Ras Mohammed from all its marine perspectives and structure a special development, which has an extraordinary effect in deeply shaping the normal life in the district, as well as avalanches. Tremors arrangements of water caves at the lower part of the island. The Save is home to numerous significant birds and creatures, for example, the Nubian ibex in the precipitous regions, little warm-blooded animals, reptiles and bugs that just show up around evening time. The hold is additionally home to numerous significant birds like herons and gulls. Ras Mohammed National Park, the objective of jumpers. Ras Mohammed Reserve incorporates in excess of 12 seashores and is viewed as an objective for jumpers on the planet since it consolidates three conditions in a superb collection of marine green growth, coral reefs and fish, Picasso fish with brilliant varieties. Ras Mohammed Reserve is viewed as the main save in Egypt as per the global arrangement, since it is one of the three most significant jumping locales on the planet, because of the nature of coral reefs and the marine climate in them, notwithstanding the nature of coral reefs in Egypt as a rule, which isn't matched by any nation with the exception of Australia. Of natural variety in the hold. There are numerous species in the save, including birds, for example, falcons, egrets, storks, warm-blooded creatures, for example, foxes, hyenas, mountain hares, deer, and mountain goats. Marine creatures, for example, dolphins, sharks, and ocean turtles, and there are around 150 types of coral reefs. Safeguarded entryway. The Ras Mohammed Gate is recognized by its interesting plan. It was planned by an Egyptian specialist after the October War, and utilized substantial rocks that were set close to one another in an exceptionally particular manner in its development. The main traveler regions in the Save. Ras Mohammed Nature Reserve contains numerous magnificent traveler puts that change in their grand scenes, the most significant of which are the accompanying Suez Beach. Suez Beach is situated close to the Gulf of Suez. This region is portrayed by its mountains, which are dominatingly red, and its waters are exceptionally clear, which has turned into a protected home for the overwhelming majority uncommon marine animals like seahorses, seagulls, dolphins, numerous types of scavengers and white creatures, notwithstanding in excess of 200 types of coral. So it is a more than ideal region for plunging and partaking in the magnificence of untainted nature around here. Mangrove Channel. The mangrove is probably the most extraordinary plant on the outer layer of the earth, as it is tracked down in just 4 spots all over the planet, including the Ras Mohammed Reserve. Mohammed on the island of Albera. Concerning the channel, it was laid out large number of years prior because of an incredible tremor that struck Egypt. The trench is 250 meters in length and has shallow water that occasionally depletes because of climatic circumstances. Captivated Lake. This lake is by all accounts from the universe of fantasies, because of its stunning variety degree, which incorporates practically all shades of blue, so that some declare that its variety changes in excess of 7 times each day. The lake is likewise connected to an old legend, which is that every individual who comes to swim in it and toss coins are related with a wish that materializes, and whether it is only a fantasy or reality, all guests to the lake actually do so in a real sense right up to the present day. Yolanda Coral Reefs. These coral reefs are named after a Cypriot freight transport called Yolanda. The boat sank on the western side of the reef in 1980 AD, and its destruction and freight are as yet lying on the ocean bottom right up till now. The coral reefs likewise contain various fish and marine animals, for example, enormous fish, hammerhead sharks and barracudas, etc. Scuba diving trips are coordinated continually. Anemone City. While visiting this region, one feels as though he is in a city that has a place with one of the fantasies that happen at the lower part of the ocean. Its coral reefs seem to be a gathering of ocean streets and caverns. Concerning the occupants of this city, they are an assortment of fish that are recognized by their magnificent tones, for example, jokester fish, butterfly and others. Eel Garden. This park is situated under the seabed, near the ocean side, and comprises of a sandy level where eelfish live, and the length of some fish there might arrive at around 80 centimeters. It is a recognized region for jumping and noticing the existence of ocean snakes, with alert while moving toward them to try not to terrify them. Raszotter. It is a stone divider that falls upward to the lower part of the Red Sea, and it is one of the unmistakable plunging regions, as it contains numerous uncommon sorts of coral, for example, dark coral, notwithstanding different sorts that cover the whole stone divider, likewise a wide rough hole in the north of the divider and steadily limits as we head up to become like a stack. Numerous intriguing marine animals live in this fissure,